That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome to my master bedroom. We are going to be decorating for Christmas, and I'm gonna make this intro really short and sweet, but I do want to explain some things to you guys. My Christmas decor videos and everything are going to be really relaxed this year. I'm not going to be doing any voiceovers because, to be honest with you, they are very difficult for me to do because on my laptop, the system that I'm using, it doesn't record very well. So I would edit my video, you know, clip by clip. I would have it all edited, and then I would go in my spare bedroom and I would watch my video and use this camera to do my voiceovers with. So I'll be like watching my video and talking, and then I would take those clips and line it up according to the edited video that I use, and that would take me a long time. So I'm just not willing to put in that effort for these videos not to be seen. None of my videos lately are getting a lot of views, so I'm just not gonna put in all that energy. But for my loyal subscribers, my family, my people that always come back for all my videos, I love you so much. So I am gonna continue making my videos, but yeah, I just really want to be transparent with you guys. But I love what I do. I'm gonna keep pushing forward, but it's gonna be really relaxed. So I have all of my stuff. I have my kids here. There's Lucas. There's little mama. She had this on earlier, but she took it off. You want to say hey, Lucas? You want to say hey, good people?
Hey, good people.
Okay, but anyway, like I said, this is a relaxed video. Okay, I have all of my bedding and everything, and my new stuff is in there. Also, I washed everything, so I'm just gonna spray this down with some Lysol. I'm working on the lighting. I'm sorry. I'm gonna spray the bed down with some Lysol, make it fresh and clean. Then I'm gonna clean my bedside tables, and I may clean this, wipe this down. It's so dusty. The Lord can see it from up above. It needs to be wiped down. I never give this any attention, but yeah, let's get into this video.
For it to reappear. Well, all around me I hear children singing the songs that we all know. Well, all around me I hear children singing the songs that we all know. Oh yeah, the Christmas spirit's coming on. ice without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah.
Okay, so just a quick little break. These are some decor pieces that I want to incorporate into the room. I really want to use these little tin houses on the nightstands. I'm not going to use glitter in here, but this is a part of some Target shopping that I did. I didn't do a Christmas haul because I didn't really have a whole lot of stuff to show you guys, so I didn't want to waste my time or yours. But anyway, I plan on using these on the nightstands. I want to probably use the gray tree or the white tree. Maybe the white tree will look better. And I'm going to use these other two trees with these little porcelain houses that light up. I got them for $5. It's not going to focus, but the Target dollar spot. And they have little tea lights on the inside, if you guys can see that. So yeah, I'm going to put these on the little stair post at the landing. And yeah, I'm going to do that also in this video. So make sure you keep on watching.
They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that back.
So everything is all nice and clean now. I switched the look of the little throw pillow, the throw cover right here. I had it to the side all tossed, and then I had it just laying across neatly, but then I just decided to tuck it underneath the duvet cover and give it a little bit more layerage and some contrast. But I love it. Let me know in the comments if you like it too. But as far as the decor, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at night, so make sure you stay till the end so you can see everything all lit up. But just a closer view of the pillows here. The detailing on this, if you can't tell, is very fuzzy, very soft, and I'm just loving everything how it turned out. Yeah, I don't think I heard the ice cream truck, boo-boo. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to give it some negative space in here. So as far as the bedding, so that's why I put my white little coverlet down, and the duvet will be extra coverage if you get cold at night. I didn't hear ice cream truck, boo-boo. But anyway, I hope you guys like how everything turned out as far as the bed. So I showed you guys this when it was all messy. I did clean it off camera because little mama was just not cooperating with me, and that's all well and good, but I still got it done. You guys just didn't get to see me do it, but it's nice and neat and clean now, and she's not happy right now either. So let me hurry up and say my goodbye. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick clean and decorate with me. It was very much relaxed vlog style, so I hope you didn't get turned off by that. So I hope you subscribe, hit that red button, and let me know that you are willing to become invested in our little family. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload from us, and stay to the end because I really do want you guys to see what it looks like at nighttime. I have my loft included in it, even though if you did miss that video, I have it linked in the cards for you, so you can go back and see the transformation into Christmas decor with us. Yeah, I think I said everything. Yeah, but anyway, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars